In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. With technology constantly evolving, integrating AI into everyday apps like WhatsApp can make our communication not only efficient, but also quite engaging. So let's jump right in and explore how you can enjoy the capabilities of Meta AI on WhatsApp. First things first, make sure you've updated WhatsApp on your phone to the latest version. This is crucial because the newest updates include the features and compatibility necessary for using Meta AI. Once your app is up to date, open WhatsApp. Now, depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device, there'll be slight differences in how you proceed. If you're on Android, you'll need to look for the Meta AI icon, which is a colorful circle located at the bottom right corner of the chat list screen. It's right above the new chat icon. On the other hand, if you're using an iPhone, you'll find this icon on the top right, nestled next to the camera icon. Once you've located the Meta AI icon, go ahead and tap it. At this point, you might be prompted with a request to read and accept the terms and conditions for using Meta AI. It's a standard procedure that ensures you are aware of and agree with the terms of service. So take a moment to go through it, and once you give your acceptance, you're all set to start engaging with Meta AI just like you would with any other WhatsApp contact. Now the fun begins. You can start chatting with Meta AI. Feel free to ask questions, seek assistance, or dive into a bit of creativity. If you have an image in mind that you'd like to generate, simply type the command imagine followed by your prompts. It's as easy as texting a friend. Meta AI isn't limited to one-on-one chats either. In a group chat setting, you can still leverage its capabilities. To do so, type @MetaAI within the group. You may also find it in the @mention list. Just continue with your prompt, and Meta AI will jump in with a reply that's visible to everyone in the group. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Meta AI in WhatsApp. This feature can enhance your communication by providing assistance on demand, making conversations more interactive, and adding a layer of creativity to your chats. Give it a try and explore how AI can seamlessly be a part of your daily texting routine. Thanks for joining, and see you next time.